Hello friends, we're doing something different today. We're not going to camp because today we're in a beautiful island of Siargao. If you've watched our previous video, you'd know that this is actually our first travel video that we will upload in YouTube. But if you're new here, my name is Andy. I film our camping trip and this time, our travel adventure with my partner, Millie. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy this video. So tara! This beach is for sale. Sobrang ganda. As in. We just checked in our hotel, by the way. We're staying at Himaya in General Luna. We just dropped our luggage kasi pupunta pa kami sa Siago for our breakfast. Try the tapa.
Masama naman si Bird. Masama na naman si Bird. Pait!
Sarap nga eh. Lasang-lasang mo yung kape.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two arms. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine.
Okay, so we're back in the hotel. Magpapahinga muna kami dito habang nagpapalipas ng oras kasi it's 2 p.m. Plus, we also need to organize our stuff para madali na lang mag-asikaso pag aalis. So, this hotel is highly rated, budget-friendly. Actually, yung room is small room with double-sized bed. And we really like yung restroom or yung bathroom area. It feels like it's the open space sa likod, tas maliwanag lang siya. Especially kapag araw pa. Very cozy yung vibe nung buong hostel. There's a restaurant beside, which is also inside the compound. Sa kabilang side is St. Thomas, which is a coffee shop. And dinadayo rin yun dito kasi they serve good coffee. Pero later we will go to Coconut View Deck for the sunset. Mamaya na kaming 4 p.m. aalis dito kasi that's about 30 minutes away from where we at right now. Meron naman kami narentahan na motor. Pupunta na lang kami doon using motorcycle and we plan on being there before the sunset. dito ah. Malaglag ka dito ah.
Trusting your instincts, realize that knowing looks different to each. When living authentic, do more exploring, deeper than knowing just what is essential for life that is thriving. Go deep, mute out the chatter, feel it, burn off the fire.
Now I know why this place is iconic. Ang hirap niya i-justify sa video pero ang ganda talaga. Meron kang view ng sea of palm trees behind me. And then sa dulo, may mga bundok. Sayang lang hindi orange or hindi sobrang ganda ng kulay ngayon sa likod kasi umulan kanina. But I bet it's really beautiful here kapag maganda yung panahon. Wala rin masyadong tao. Tapos wala dito yung mga famous na human drone. Usually nandito sila and yun lang, wala sila siguro kasi nga umulan kanina. Maybe they didn't expect that people will come. Pero there were few people na nag-stop by.
Mute out the chatter, feel it, burn off the fire, let go until there's peace to your core. Live a life you adore. Live a life you adore.
We have to go back here sa hotel earlier than what's planned because we're soaking wet. So we're supposed to go to Wild for our dinner. Actually, we're already starving. After dun sa Coconut Viewpoint, biglang umulan. That was really unexpected kasi ang ganda pa ang umaraw pa kanina eh. Well, it was raining before, I think before 4 p.m. And then by 4:15, umaraw na. So we decided, okay, let's go there. So anyway, we're going to change our plan. Instead of dinner sa Wild, we are going to just stay here. Lily is already taking a shower kasi we're really soaking wet. We're just gonna eat here. May restaurant dito sa likod. Dito lang din sa loob lang din ng where we're staying. It's 7 p.m. right now pero umuulan. So dito na lang tayo sa Tiki Hut kakain. And then after this, matutulog na tayo kasi maaga pa tayo bukas. Or maaga pa kami bukas. Okay, so you may be wondering bakit di kagad kami nag-tour sa day 1. We were contemplating actually kung day 1 pa lang ba pupunta na kagad kami sa beach or at least magtutour na kami. Pero we've been awake kasi since last night because we had to go to the airport a bit early for our 2 a.m. flight from Naiya to Cebu because we don't have direct flights anymore from Manila to Siargao. Plus, I also had to bring our car to get ourselves to Pasay City. Kasi, Grab cars are very limited dun sa kung saan kami nakatira. Kasi, probinsya. Wala rin taxi. So, we were trying to book for, I think, more than 30 minutes. And, baka malate kami sa flight kung hindi na kagad kami aalis. So, we decided to just drive. Then, we left the car sa public parking PH. Then, they transferred us to Terminal 3. Then, from Naiya, we flew to Cebu. And then, konting ikot-ikot lang muna doon habang hinihintay yung next flight, which is from Cebu to Siargao. But anyway, that's the main reason why we wanted to take the day lightly. Pero tomorrow, we're going to rent a car. Going to the north because that's more than an hour away from General Luna. And we're going to 3 different places, including Little Hawaii. We're not gonna use the motorcycle. And at the same time, you know, in case umulan, at least we're dry. Unlike what happened earlier. But for now, we will get a good sleep because we're really, really tired. And we'll see you tomorrow. We were getting ready for breakfast, then biglang umulan. So, papalipas na lang muna kami ng oras. Anyway, it's 7 a.m. Hintayin namin tumigil yung ulan, then pupunta kami sa Whitebeard for our breakfast. Then, we'll rent a car going to north. Sige, I'll have bacon and scrambled eggs sa French toast and
French
then
toasting.
and then flat white coffee.
Yung sa akin itong creamy cloud Snow White. Meron naman tek-tek sa mga Oo nga. Oo nga.
So, nauwi kami sa Livina. Mas malaking sasakyan. Ang habol lang talaga namin sedan eh. Kaya lang wala yung sedan dito sa nakausap ni Mili kagabi. Pinaayos daw. Yung nagbalik is parang nasira yata. Okay na to para sigurado na kahit umulan di kami mababasa. The weather here is really unpredictable. So just to be sure, kasi ayaw namin matulad kahapon na hindi natuloy yung plano. That's too far from General Luna. Ito na lang ang gagamitin natin. Magsasasakyan tayo today.
Bridle, trained to be tame. Nature gave a new name. Source to nurture the world. Ready, sing a new too. Afraid of it all won't get me down. All that a sound set free. Wind in my hair, sweet essence of me. Yesterday I was clever, wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I'm changing myself. Let go of who you are, become who you might be. Let your life become living hope.
Parang luya. Pero maasid. Ito nga in-order ko. Okay naman, malambot. Malambot talaga siya. Kasi slow cook nga eh. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong lasa yung ina-achieve niya.
And yours alone. You'll be a lion. You'll be the deer. Be like a tree. Let the dead leaves fall. Let your life become living poetry. You were born with wings, your heart knows the way.
After mag-swim, we asked kung nasan yung shower room nila. For visitors, they have restrooms. Walang shower doon. So when we asked kung nasan yung shower room nila, you only have shower area. Yung shower that we have to use before we dip sa pool, that's the only shower area that they have. But I guess, that's something that we should have checked. We just didn't anticipate it. View-wise, sobrang ganda. As in, left side, front, right side, ang ganda. Siguro kasi nga yung location nila eh. Cliffside sila ng north side ng Siargao. And grabe, sobrang ganda ng mga waves. No wonder ba't ang dami rin talagang nagsusurf dito. So si Millie nasa loob, she's just paying for the food that we ordered, and then yung stay nga namin, yung paggamit namin ng pool. Then after that, pupunta na kami sa Little Hawaii. Then after that, Alegria. And then bago umuwi, dadaan kami sa Pasipon.
I heard that you walked out again. I heard that you cried. Come this way, let me be a friend. My home's open wide. We can live here. We can die
We are at Alegria Beach right now. Kaso, it's
Maambon.
raining. It's drizzling. So, let's see kung paano natin pull off ang arte.
This is just 2 minutes away from Little Hawaii. Umaambon, so let's see. Tara, sa Pasikot. Let's go! So, nasa Pasikon Beach na kami, but there's just a little problem. This beach is for sale and it's locked. Like, nilalanggam pa. So that's the problem. The beach is closed. Okay, so change of plan. Titignan namin tong Pacifico Beach. Meron ditong surfing spot. Not that we're going to surf, pero we just wanna check it out before kami pumunta o bumalik sa General Luna. We're finally back in General Luna. Nakapag-shower na rin. Maglalabas lang kami ulit para mag-dinner. Patatry na namin sa Wild yung dapat kakainan namin last night pero umulan. So ngayon namin yan susubukan. According to the description.
This is the take the I go in the last of the first and then the second one was 2 years ago. We spent Christmas. And we got gasto. Gasto in the last night. What did you talk to me about? No, I think Palawan, Coron. Me too. I thought I was less.
We're back in our room. The dinner was really good. Di kami nakapagpa-reserve. Kailangan pa yung reservation doon, pero we were able to walk in. Their kare-kare was really good. Yung porchetta, malambot. Talagang makakain mo lahat. Masarap talaga yung lasa niya. Meron pa kami isa pang trenayan na isa pang ulam. Pero masarap, overall masarap naman yung pagkain doon. But yeah, that wraps the second day. I hope you like this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye!